The stupid smoke detector woke me up at like 5 a.m. today just because the room I was, this isn't the exact one, but just because out of all the alarms in this house, the batteries choose to run out, and obviously the one I'm sleeping in, and that wakes me up. And I know, it's just a little beep, but each time it beeps, it's like really loud, like beep. I'm starting to wonder if it's my imagination, but it takes like 10 minutes for it to do it again. So I'd finally take my hands off my ears at nighttime, and it just goes beep. I'm like, yep, that's not fake. I'm getting out of here. So yeah, it's kind of noisy. So I was up early